Software Keep provides digital software products including Windows 10, Windows 11, Microsoft Offices, and antivirus. They are offered digital keys with top-notch customer support. You can get 20% off by using this code. This code is also mentioned in the description, and don't forget to use it when you are purchasing. Before we move ahead, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos. Software Keep provides wholesale priced software with year-round service. Simply go to www.softwarekeep.com and you will see their website. You can see they are offering different versions of Microsoft Office for Windows and Mac. You can buy MS Office apps from here. You can get all versions of Windows 7, 8, 10, and even latest Windows 11. You can protect your computer with antivirus software, and Software Keep is offering lots of popular antiviruses that can protect your computer easily from hacking, protecting your information or work. Software Keep also offering lots of other softwares that can be useful for you, like PDF Reader, Data Recovery, Partition Maker, DVD Ripper, WinX Video Converter, etc. Let me show you a quick view how you can buy any product from Software Keep. Simply go to their website and select any item, like I am selecting MS Office 2021. Add into your cart. If you have any promo code, you can enter in it to get discount. Now click on Proceed to check out. They are supporting various payment methods like credit or debit cards, PayPal, and more. Simply add your billing details and place your order. You will receive link on your register email. Just follow the instructions and install your software. So this is today's review about Software Keep. You can get 20% off by using this code. This code is also mentioned in the description, and don't forget to use it when you are purchasing. Please also subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.